Hi everyone, here we've got ARCHOS Access 57 and let me show you how to show battery percentage on this device. So as you can see on the status bar we've got only the battery icon, but in order to show the percentage, simply enter the settings. Here we have to find battery and power saving, and as you can see there is the battery percentage option. So in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher on it. And as you can see right next to the battery icon we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. In order to turn it off, just tap here, and as you can see we've got the battery icon only. But let me turn it on because it's quite useful. So that's all. This is how to show battery percentage in your ARCHOS Access 57. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.